Today we're going to be doing another little kitchen activity, and this one is with shapes. So we're going to use toothpicks and we're going to use marshmallows and we're going to make some shapes. Pour some in here. We're going to use some toothpicks. Okay, so this is a fun thing to do with your child. It's fun and definitely a great learning activity for shapes. So I usually like to have kids start with making a square because it's pretty easy. I guess with younger children, you want to also talk about how it's a little pokey and to be careful. So we're making a square. So I have my square. You can talk about the different parts of a square. All sides are equal, 4 corners. From here, I always like to say, let's make some more squares. If making one square was easy. If it was really hard, then maybe you could try making a rectangle or a different shape. But if it was pretty easy, you want to try to make a cube next. So this might be a new shape for some friends. Might need to help them. But you want to try to make a cube. And you can talk about the number of faces that a cube has. Count them. This is great for little kids. A lot of times I will ask them also to make a rectangle and they'll come up with the idea of breaking one in half. You could help them with the scissors as well. So we have 2 long sides and then we have our 2 short sides. So there's one short side and another short side. So we have our rectangle. You could do you could build more rectangles and make a 3-dimensional shape, or you could just stop right here. And then I always think it's fun after building a few shapes. Well, I guess you could build a triangle as well. After having kids build a few different shapes, I always think it's fun to have them just kind of use whatever is left to maybe make some of their own little sculptures. So you could tell them they could do whatever they want, and it's always fun to see what they come up with. So I'm not sure, but I'm just building a little free idea here. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be a sun. It's kind of fun. It doesn't really have to be anything. It could just be whatever creative idea you have. So that's today, making shapes with marshmallows and toothpicks. Give it a try. Bye.